Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today is episode number 2 in our creating using our July subscription boxes. Well, the box we used on today is the BoxyCharm base box, and with that we used our Pure Festival 2.0 palette. Now, as you remember, my palette came in broken, so because it came in broken, I couldn't really do as much as I would like to, because the darkest shade, which was the VIP Pass, is the one that did break and kind of went all over the other pans. But I wanted to bring the look to you anyway using these items. And when I did contact BoxyCharm, they did not have any of these palettes left, to replace this one with. So they said they would do a little something else. So I went ahead and used that palette. Then I used the Dulce, and this one is the eyeliner. And then I used the Hourglass brow pencil. Let me tell you something. This thing is fly. Okay? Now, nonetheless, these are the items that I used to create this look on today. And if you would like to see how it was accomplished, keep watching. thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Let me know down below what you think about this look that we have created on today using the products from our July BoxyCharm base box. Okay, the other items that you did not see me use were the 111 Skins Pollution Defense Booster and also the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks. You should really try those. If you get a chance to, you should really try them. This is correct with what they say. It makes your eyes feel so moisturized, like you paid extra attention to them. So these are the items that we used to create this look on today. You know, now as you know, we only used in the video the items that came in the box, so that did not include the lipstick, you know, this color. If you want to know about this one, hit me up in the comment section below and I'll let you know what it is. Okay, now I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.